Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at my recent fabric haul and some of my July / first week of August makes in terms of sewing projects. So the first sewing project that we're going to be looking at is a dress that I made for my birthday. This is fabric that I picked up at Fine Fabrics, which is a fabric shop here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Now, I originally purchased this fabric for my son, but I decided to use it for myself. And I really didn't do much to it. I did some simple manipulation in terms of measurements for my bust and to fit around my mommy curves on the bottom. And I also put an elastic band across the top and did crisscross straps as well, because I really don't feel comfortable wearing strapless dresses. And then I just made a simple belt using some ribbon that I had already here at the house and some scrap fabric left over from this project. But all in all, this particular project took me, I would say, maybe an hour and a half or so to do, but it turned out really nice. And I actually did not wear this for my birthday trip, but the last day that I celebrated my birthday, this past Saturday, I did wear it to go out with some friends, and I have to say I really do love this dress. It's so simple. I could very easily put like a cardigan on over top of it, you know, for cooler weather. But since I was going somewhere hot and I was doing a lot of walking, it was no cardigan, plus my tennis shoes. But in all, I think the dress turned out really nice. When I purchase fabric, I just purchase like a generic amount, and I never really have a design in store, you know, like in mind of what I am going to make. And I typically will hold on to my fabric until I feel the fabric speak to me and say, this is how we want to be used for your garment. Sounds crazy, but and so this is how her little dress came out. I'm really happy with it. It's fun, it's funky, it's uniquely hers. You're not gonna find this print or color combination or pattern, you know, with anywhere else probably. And that's okay. You know, I love doing things for her that make her happy. She loves the dress, and that's all I need, the validation that I need. Naked baby, he going to school too, out of my house, y'all. And so I'm actually currently working on his first day of school outfit. So I'll show you the fabric that I am using. I let him pick, I took him to the store, let him pick his fabric. He said he wanted arrows. So we have this fabric here. And then I found a second fabric with smaller arrows. It's upside down, but a second fabric here with arrows. And then I found this fun tree bark tree print. And so these three combination fabrics are what we're going to do for baby boy for his first day of school outfit. And that is going to be a top and some shorts. And I actually have the shorts made. Ooh. And I actually used just nothing basic, nothing fancy, just some basic shorts, guys, with the bark on the cuff. It is lined with the big arrow fabric, so they're going to be nice and have a good weight to them. But I used a pair of his current shorts as a template for these particular shorts. And then for the top, it's just going to be a pullover tunic, probably with 2 little pockets in it. But I know he is excited because he sees all the things that I make for his sister. And he's like, I want something too. So now baby boy is getting his own little first day of school outfit. So I'm really excited about that. fabric haul because I've been busy this week, y'all. I've been traveling. I've been doing so many things celebrating my birthday. But in case y'all don't know, Hobby Lobby has zippers that are like 50% off right now. So these bad boys cost me what? Oh, 50 cents, $1, 50 to 60 cents for zippers, guys. And you know, your store, I don't know if they are no longer selling this brand. I'm not sure. But if you need zippers and you want to just add them to your collection, because that's kind of what I did. I have no idea what project I'm going to use these for, but for the price, I was willing to spend to get some pieces to add to my sewing stash. And I also got some bigger ones too. So these are normally like $5, $6, $7 or so. And I got most of these for under $2 for the longer zippers. So these are 24 inches. I might have a 30-inch one in here. So check out Hobby Lobby before these guys are gone out of their stock. If you're looking for zippers. So I'm going to toss that in my bag down here at my feet. And also, guys, thread was on sale too. So if you need thread, now I typically use machine quilt thread for all of my projects because I also quilt and I'm not purchasing multiple types of thread for the clothes and the quilting. So I use machine quilt thread for everything, and these guys were on sale as well. So I picked up these to work on the current projects that I have. I love to spend money. So the next fabric that I picked up is this neon floral print, and I picked up a companion triangle neon print to go with it. So if you remember, earlier this year, I made a reversible modest crop top. And so my plan with this really bright fabric is to do something very similar to the crop top that I did earlier. I think if I go in that direction, I definitely want to add pockets to it, maybe make it a little bit longer and add some little pockets to it, because that is something that I miss with the original crop top. But these are definitely colors that I would not traditionally wear, but I thought they were really fun, and so I picked it up, and I'm excited to see how this particular project turns out. Okay, guys, so my video shut off right as I was about to show you this fabric. So this is like take 2. Now, I picked up this fabric from Hobby Lobby, another one of my stashes. And this is a beautiful greenery print. And I purchased maybe 3 to 3.5 yards of this particular fabric. And I want to make a dress out of it. Now, this fabric, I can't say that I normally would wear a print like this, but I just found it so beautiful. So I think what I'm going to do is pick up some olive green lining to do like an underskirt for it, because I love olive. And I am actually heading to a wedding later on this year. So depending on how my dress turns out, I might wear this particular fabric or a dress out of this particular fabric or out of one of the other fabrics that I have picked up. But I thought it's just such a soft, beautiful pattern. And I'm thinking I want to do a dress with sleeves and a high-low skirt. I will definitely use a pattern for this particular project. I normally just kind of go with the flow, but I have some fabrics that are really beautiful and kind of special, and I really don't want to mess them up. And so I am going to go and search for some patterns for these particular fabrics. All right, guys, so the next thing we want to look at is the fabrics that I picked up yesterday as of recording. And these particular prints, I got it from a international festival. Very beautiful. So you can see some of it here. I love the colors. So I have maybe 2 yards of this first one with the burgundy and like the mustard colors in it. So it's about 2 yards of that. And then this burgundy with the indigo. How beautiful is that, guys? That is just gorgeous. And so the back is the same. So it's like a little reverse print with the burgundy on the edges, the indigo in the center. And this one has a much heavier weight to it. So I picked up these 2 fabrics, and I want to do dresses, like strapless dresses out of both of these. Now, if you follow some of my sewing videos, you know I sew without a pattern. I just go with the flow of the fabric, let the fabric dictate how it wants to be used. These fabrics are gorgeous. They were expensive, but I don't feel bad for spending the money on them. But I really don't want to mess them up because I feel that they're such special fabrics. And so my plan is actually to go out today to search for some patterns that I can use for these particular prints. And I'm really excited about that. I think these are going to be beautiful dresses when all said and done. And the lady that I purchased the fabric from, she gave me her email. She was like, oh my gosh, if you make a dress out of this, please send me pictures. And so I'm really excited. So if I don't do the greenery print for the wedding that I go to this fall, I might use one of these other prints here for the wedding. But in all, guys, I think I have an amazing fabric haul. I probably spent about $200, which is a lot for fabric, especially with most of it coming from Hobby Lobby. $200 in fabric at Hobby Lobby is a lot, even with their discounts. But this was $120. Just these 2 alone was $120. And then the rest was the Hobby Lobby fabric and zippers and threads and things like that. But I'm happy. I can't wait to show you all the things that I have made. Y'all know I'm going to run through pictures so you can see everything. And y'all know the drill. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye.